Big shout out to Islandwide Express and the hardworking members of Islandwide Express team. I first signed up with this company when I saw an ad about shipping laptops and back to school devices free, and I gave them a try. And my first package indeed was free. Got a free shipping coupon, used this, and I got my package shipped for free. The best part about it, creating a shipping alert, and once a package reached Islandwide Express, no need to worry about your package anymore. They were fast, they were efficient, and they were reliable, I must say. I got my package delivered to my door. Door to door delivered. Yes. Tell me which other company in Jamaica gives you free shipping coupons. Can't think about any. There's no other company in Jamaica that gives you free shipping coupons. So guys, ship your packages with Islandwide Express and be one of those persons who receive free shipping coupons.